Prepare the following tools: disassembly tab, eject pin, B2B connector removal tool, crowbar, Phillips screwdriver, hexagon screwdriver, and ESD plastic tweezers. Check that the phone is powered off. Attach the protective film to the TP. Use the eject pin to remove the card holder. Place the card holder onto the tray. Use the hexagon screwdriver with T2 bit to remove the two screws from the USB. Hold the device under the fingerprint sensor area with one hand. Insert the disassembly tab into the gap between the front cover and battery cover with another hand. Pry open the battery cover with a 3 to 5 millimeter gap and make sure that the fingerprint FPC is not pulled. Then, gently separate the battery cover from the front cover. Use the ESD plastic tweezers to open the ZIF connector cover and push out the FPC. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove 11 screws from the PCBA and subsidiary board. Set the torque to 0.9 to 1.1 kilogram force centimeters. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the 5 steel sheets for the subsidiary board main FPC B2B connector, rear camera B2B connector, front camera B2B connector, LCD B2B connector, and battery B2B connector. Use the plastic tweezers to unfasten the coaxial cable heads from the PCBA and subsidiary board. Then, remove the coaxial cable. Use the B2B connector removal tool or plastic tweezers to remove the battery B2B connector, main FPC B2B connectors, fingerprint FPC B2B connector, and LCD B2B connector. Then, remove the main FPC and fingerprint FPC. Use the crowbar to pry up the PCBA from the upper right corner and remove the PCBA. Use the plastic tweezers or B2B connector removal tool to remove the rear and front cameras. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the speaker. Use the ESD plastic tweezers to pry open the subsidiary board from the left of the USB. After the left positioning rod is unfastened from the subsidiary board, spin the board anti-clockwise. The metal buckle on the subsidiary board will then be removed automatically. The disassembly is complete. Thanks for watching.